All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to run DeepSeek locally on your computer. So you don't have to deal with logging in to DeepSeek and don't have to worry about sharing information with DeepSeek because you're going to be running it locally on your computer. And we're going to use Ollama to kind of make this happen. All right, so here's the process. And all this is free, by the way. And there's actually no need to log in at any point for anything. All right, so you're going to go to Ollama.com and click the download button. As soon as you go to Ollama.com, you'll be greeted with this page. Just click download. Then go ahead and select your OS and then click download for that OS. You'll get at least for a Macs, I'm working on a Mac, I got a .zip file. You're going to want to double click on that and that will reveal a .app, an app file. You should drag and drop that onto your applications folder. And then when it's in your application folder, you can go to that applications folder and then double click on the Ollama app. First time you do this, you'll probably be greeted with this. Just hit open. And then you'll come to a screen that looks like this on your computer and just hit next. And it's going to take you through kind of a standard, straightforward installation process. Just click on install. At one point, you'll be prompted to put in your password, as you do for many applications that you install on your computer. On the final screen, you're going to click finish to complete the installation process. You most likely never have to use this .app file again, which is kind of cool. It's just really just for that, and then it kind of just runs in the background just for the installation. Everything else is going to go through terminal. And to get started, though, you're going to want to go back to the Ollama website and then just click on the models link at the top. And DeepSeek will probably be the first model available because this is by popularity and it's very popular now. If it's not, you can always just search in here and find the most recent one if you want. R1 happens to be the most recent one as of the making of this video. And then when you get to when you come here, you can just click on this. That'll take you to the page that has this drop down box and you can select which model you want. And the nice thing here, it shows you how many gigabytes, how large those file sizes are. And I'm just letting you know here, I'm working on a Mac Apple M3 Pro with 18 gigs of RAM. And I've been using various models that are around 8 billion, I guess. That's how many parameters there are in there. and they've been functioning. It hasn't been slowing down my computer. It's been working well. I'll let you know. I'll do an update after I'll start experimenting with some bigger ones to see how that goes. But from what I was looking into, it seemed like that would be a good fit for the style of computer I have with the amount of RAM. All right, so you can kind of try out whichever one you want. All right, so to download it, like I said, you're going to want to choose from the drop down, and I'm in the DeepSeek coder because I already have the R1 version, so I'll download one of these to use as an example, but you would do it for the R1 version if that's what you want. All right, so I'm going to try this out because I am actually interested in trying out the DeepSeek coder, and you're going to select right here. That copies it for you. Then I'm going to go up to terminal. In terminal, I'm going to go ahead and paste in that command that I just copied. Press enter. And just have to wait this out. That one was 3.8 gigabytes, so dependent how fast it comes down. And you'll see in a second, so that just finished. It was pretty quick. And now I could actually start using it. Code that tests if a number is prime. Did Python? So there you go. All right, so if you got out of terminal and you came back and you wanted to use Ollama again, first of all, make sure this is showing. That means it's running. By default, it'll probably be running, but you can always just quit it whenever. If you notice your computer slowing down or whatever, you can just quit it. So it's pretty user friendly in that regard. All right, so then if you want to get started though in Terminal, you can just use the Ollama Commands, and I usually do Ollama list to see the different models that I've downloaded. And so like here's my DeepSeek R1 8B, and so I would just do Ollama run, and I could literally just copy and paste this right here, press that, and now I'm in DeepSeek. And I can use it right there. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add a quick and easy graphical user interface that makes using these models so much, it's just a better experience. It looks nicer, it's easier to use. You can see your past questions and toggle between them. So I'll show you that in my next video. Thanks.